welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to an interior inspiration video. So something slightly different from my channel, but something that will become more frequent as time goes on. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, thank you for tuning in. My name is Vicky. A little bit about myself: I am a mum to 3. I have 2 boys and a stepdaughter. They are 9, 6 and 8 months. I nearly forgot then. So we live in a period property that we are renovating. We were starting our extension, which we've waited so long for, and then obviously we started lockdown, which is fine, but it just means that it's been put on hold. So I'd been waiting for quite a while to buy bits for our house because I kept thinking I'll just wait until the extension's done. But seeing as we're at home and we've got a bit more time on our hands and we'd set aside the money for the little bits we wanted to buy for the house, I just thought I would get them. Not all of them, but I thought I would get some of them. So there's a slight theme to today's video, and that is decorating our shelves in our living room. So we have some built-in shelving units either side of a fireplace, and it's something that I've never really styled before, so I've bought a lot of bits for that, as well as a couple of random bits as well. And I also have another video coming next week with a lot of kind of kitchen accessories, so please stay tuned and there'll be many more of these videos to come. So I'm just going to get straight into it and show you the first item, which I think is slightly too large to put on the screen. This is the lid. And I have a new washing basket. So this is the basket, which is absolutely gorgeous, and it is from made.com, and then the lid goes on the top. I have had my eye on that washing basket, call me weird, for so long, and I kept thinking about it. It was a slight splurge. It was more than I'd spent on a washing basket. It was £79. But I've been thinking about it for so long. It had been on my wish list for so long. I just thought, just bite the bullet and get it. And it's gorgeous, it didn't disappoint. So yeah, I really like it. It's a really good size and can't wait to use it. Fill it with my dirty washing. It's a bit odd. Okay, so I have my coffee inside this next item then. I nearly picked it up and spilt it all over the white sofa. Which, if you've got children, don't buy a white sofa. I'm not sure why I did it, but thankfully it's from IKEA and I can change the covers. So that is another thing I might do in the future, not now. Happy with it as it is at the moment. So this next item is an item for the shelves, and it's very similar to the last item I showed you, and it's this gorgeous bowl. And this is from a company called Hudson Home. I'm sure you've all heard of them. If you haven't, get on their website and buy it before it all goes. They have the most beautiful decorative pieces, and I've bought quite a bit from them. I absolutely love them. Now this bowl is slightly larger than I wanted to get, but they didn't have the size I wanted. I searched the web high and low for a similar and I couldn't find it. This was £20, and Hudson have this on their website with an artichoke ornament inside, and I already have an artichoke ornament that I got from Dunelm quite a while ago, so I'm going to lie that in there, and I will also do a separate video on how I'm styling my shelves once everything arrives. But I absolutely love that. You could also use it as a fruit bowl. I think it's beautiful, and maybe it will change uses halfway through. It might go in the kitchen as a fruit bowl, but for now this is for my shelves. The next 2 items I got are also from Hudson Home, and one is this little boxwood plant, which I really like, in an urn, or that's what they call it. And this was only £9.50. Some things I find on Hudson are pricey, but in my opinion worth it because they're beautiful when they come. And some things are really reasonable, like £9.50 for that. I mean, you wouldn't blink at spending that. I really like that. I love the fact that it's kind of like a frosted green. So I'm really looking forward to popping that on the shelves and seeing it all come together. So the next item is also from Hudson Home, and it is this lines box. So I don't intend to use this box for anything really. I might put my Jo Malone matches inside there, just because they're kind of just sat out on the shelf not doing anything, but this is just decorative. Now this is one of those items that was a little bit more, so this was £45, but again I tried to find something similar and I couldn't find it, and it's kind of like a bone material. That's what it feels like a shell material. So I'll just show you that up close. It's really beautiful, and on their website they've got like a kind of sphere ornament on top, which I've ordered from somewhere else, something similar but not the same. I'm still waiting for that to arrive, so as I say, keep your eyes peeled, there will be more of these videos. I'm really excited to get that one up there. I also have a lovely online friend called Naomi Rhea. I'm going to link her YouTube channel down below, and we have such similar styles. I'm pretty sure she has this box, but we were talking about Hudson Home and how lovely their stuff is, and yeah, it just looks gorgeous. So she's got another gorgeous house. So the next two items are also for the shelves, but I got these off of Amazon. One of them was because it was out of stock on Hudson Home, I think, and one of them, I think I just looked for something I liked, found it for a really reasonable price on Amazon. I actually intended to try and get everything from Amazon. I thought, how cool would it be to make a video where everything comes from Amazon and it was really reasonable, but it's actually really difficult to find stuff like that. I do apologise if you can hear my children. You know that everyone's home at the moment, so it's really hard not to hear them, so I'm sorry about that. So this next item is this gorgeous jug, and I actually think this is exactly the same. It may not be made by the same person. It's porcelain, and it is the 2.5 pint jug. I will link it down below. And this is to go on my shelves as well. I found this on Amazon and it was $21.99, so not the cheapest jug, but it's gorgeous. It will look so nice on the shelf. And you know what, if I do get bored of it being an ornament, it's a jug. So I can use it as a vase, I can use it as a jug in the kitchen for gravy, for juices, cocktails on a summer's day. So it's multi-use and really reasonable. The next item I got was this lovely photo frame. So all of our photo frames on our shelves at the moment are silver, and when we did this about 1.5 years ago, maybe 2 years, no, about 1.5 years ago I think it was, silver was really in, chrome was really in, and we've had our photo frames for such a long time and they're due a change really. So I'm gonna try and change over to these more neutrals. This is a grey kind of, I don't know, worn look, and this was only $8.99. Again, it was from Amazon, and I just think altogether the colours will look so nice. In fact, I'll show you what they look like together. So this just sort of gives you an idea of the muted colour palette that we're going for on the shelves. So naturals, whites, really muted tones like this frosted plant. I'm loving all of this together. I think it really looks lovely and I can't wait to put them on the shelves. So this next item is also replacing something silver. I have an IKEA lamp on the shelves at the moment, and I love having a lamp on there because we turn it on every evening. I love a lamp in a room. I think it's nicer than putting the main light on. And as I said, it's actually chrome, like painted chrome. And I just wanted to change it, and this next item I'd also had my eye on for such a long time. It's a little bit of a splurge. I tried to find similar in so many different other places and I couldn't find the right size lamp to go on there. So I did buy a bargain lamp, which I'll show you in a minute. But for this room, I had to splurge a little bit, and I did end up getting my lamp from the White Company, and I absolutely love it. So this is the lamp base. As you can see, it's like a grey distressed look, and then it comes with a white shade. So there it is together. Obviously I will take the labels off and that shade will probably sit a little bit lower. But I just think that will look so gorgeous on the shelves. It was £75, so again, more than I would usually spend on a lamp. But I think the one I got from IKEA was around £50, so it's not that much more for a White Company lamp. Really like it, and I just think it's going to look beautiful on the shelf. So I have 3 more items to show you, 1 more for the shelf and then 2 kind of random items. So this next item is an absolute bargain steal, and I didn't see it anywhere. I just happened to be on the website getting my next item, which I'll show you, and I saw this and I thought that is gorgeous. So I got this lovely hurricane candle holder, although there's no candle in the moment. The only thing I will say is don't have this around children, because that could easily fall off because it's just balanced on there and break. But this is like a stone base. It's really, really heavy. It's not plastic and been painted, so it's like a washed stone. As you can see, it goes quite well with the White Company lamp. And again, it's these muted tones. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a candle in there or not. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But let me find the price of that. So this was $7.99. I mean, $7.99. The Range is one of those shops where, I'm not gonna be rude, but there's a lot of like rubbish and you have to sift through it. But there are some really, really good finds, and for $7.99, I would buy this 10 times over. I think it's beautiful. If you're gonna buy anything from this haul, then definitely get yourself this. So the next item is also from the Range, and an item that is now unfortunately out of stock, but maybe keep your eye on it. Things do come back in stock. It's huge. It's this absolutely gorgeous lamp. Now, the reason I got this is I originally wanted it for the shelf. I'm pointing over there because that's where the shelves are. I wanted it for the shelves, but when I measured, it was too tall, but I really wanted it still. I'd actually seen it on a home account. I actually can't remember the home account. I'm really sorry. I saw it a while ago and I saved it, and I just thought I'll maybe get that one day. And when I went on and looked at it, I thought, I love that so much, I really want it. So it's in our dining room and we really, really, really love it. And we had so many comments on it. And I think it was a really good price. So I paid less than what it actually lists on the website. And I don't know if that's because I had, there was like a discount on, but I paid £26 for this, which I just think is amazing. It's really big. It's kind of got this crackled appearance, really nice big white shade. And I think this is called a ginger jar shape, which is really in and current at the moment. So I absolutely love that. I think those two items are a massive steal. So that brings me to the final item in this haul, and that is again from Hudson Home, and it's these dried stems. I kept it in the paper because I wanted to show you how they packaged it. I think it was gorgeous. I'm just gonna unwrap it and show you what they're like. So this is what they're like. I'm so excited to put these out. They've been sat there for so long. You know, obviously deliveries are quite slow at the moment, and I'm a bit odd and I put my packages into like quarantine, so they have to sit there for a couple of days before I open them. And I'm also waiting for the vase for this to go in. So Hudson Home have this in like a smoked vase on their website, and when I originally bought this I thought, no, I'm not going to go for everything exactly the same as what they've done. I'm going to find a different vase. Anyway, I ended up wanting that vase, and by the time I went back it was out of stock. So I ordered one off of, I think it's a company called Charleston Interiors. Somebody on my Instagram recommended them, and I'm still waiting for that to arrive, so I will obviously show you. I do have a personal Instagram account and also a home Instagram account where all of these items will go up and be featured on, so I will obviously put those down below. If you want to give them a follow, that would be amazing. But I really, really love these. I can't wait to put them out and see how they're going to look when my vase arrives. So that brings me to the end of the video. I hope that gave you some inspiration. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I just wanted to make sure everyone is okay as well. I hope you're all coping okay at home, and I know that a lot of you say to me these videos get you through, so hopefully it got you through. But please follow our journey and tune in next week for another homeware haul. I have lots of accessories, as I say, for the kitchen and other areas arriving, so I'm really looking forward to showing you that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more where it came from, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is well, and take care, and I shall see you all very soon.